I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put a Jeep Grand Cherokee in neutral without key. Locate the small shift release slot near the shifter and remove the plastic cover gently with a flat tool. Press and hold the release while moving the shifter into neutral using steady pressure. If electronics prevent movement, check the battery or use a safe jumper to restore power, then try the release again with patience and care. Prepare simple tools and safety items before you begin to avoid delays and hazards. Use a flat plastic trim tool to pop the release cover and avoid scratching the console. Always set the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the tires to prevent rolling. Wear gloves and keep the vehicle on a level surface while you press the release and shift to neutral. Take your time and double-check each safety step. Quick recommendation: if you like reading guides while waiting on the roadside, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for clear, glare-free reading and long battery life. It is compact enough to fit in a glove box and bright enough for working at dusk. If you find this tip useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful car content. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start by turning the ignition to accessory if the key or remote allows, which may release the shift lock. Insert your trim tool into the release slot, feel for the mechanism, and press firmly while moving the shifter into neutral in a single deliberate motion. If resistance remains, do not force the shifter. Instead, check battery power or call a professional to avoid damage. Once neutral is achieved, secure the vehicle and prepare for towing or transport.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.